Welcome everyone, today we're embarking on a journey towards a healthier, more vibrant you. Let's begin with the foundation of life itself, hydration. Water is truly the lifeblood of our bodies. It's the essential element that keeps us alive and thriving. Without it, our bodies simply wouldn't function. Every cell, tissue, and organ in our body needs water to work properly. It's not just about quenching your thirst, it's about maintaining your overall health and well-being. It's involved in every process that keeps you going. From the moment you wake up to the time you go to bed, water is at work. It helps transport nutrients to your cells, aids in digestion, and keeps your skin looking healthy and vibrant. Whether you're an athlete, an office worker, or spending time with family, staying hydrated is key. From flushing out toxins to regulating temperature, water is the MVP. It acts as a natural detoxifier, helping to cleanse your body of harmful substances. It also plays a crucial role in regulating your body temperature, especially during those hot summer days or intense workout sessions. A simple glass of water can make a world of difference. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. This might seem like a lot, but it's a small price to pay for the benefits it brings. Think of it as a daily goal to keep your body in top shape. You can spread it out throughout the day, making it easier to achieve. Think of it as 2 liters of pure, refreshing goodness. Carry a water bottle with you to make it more convenient. Whether it's a 2-liter bottle or 2 1-liter bottles, having water within reach encourages you to drink more. Listen to your body. If you're thirsty, drink up. Thirst is your body's way of telling you it needs more water. Don't ignore it. Make it a habit to drink water regularly, even if you don't feel thirsty. Your body will thank you for it. Jazz up your water with cucumber, berries, or lemon. Adding a splash of flavor can make drinking water more enjoyable. Plus, these additions come with their own set of health benefits, making your water not just refreshing but also nutritious. Fruits and veggies like watermelon and cucumbers are packed with water too. Incorporating these into your diet can help you stay hydrated. They are delicious, hydrating, and full of essential vitamins and minerals. Dehydration can cause fatigue, headaches, and brain fog. These are signs that your body is not getting enough water. Staying hydrated can help you stay alert, focused, and energized throughout the day. Keep that water bottle handy. Your body will thank you. Whether you're at work, at the gym, or on the go, having a water bottle within reach makes it easier to stay hydrated. Make it a part of your daily routine, and you'll soon notice the positive effects on your health and well-being. Let's talk fuel, my friends. Your body needs the right nutrients to thrive. Embrace vibrant fruits and vegetables bursting with vitamins. Load up your plate with leafy greens, bright berries, and colorful peppers. Don't forget about protein-lean meats, beans, lentils, tofu, and tempeh. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats provide sustained energy. Life's all about balance. Enjoy treats in moderation. Get creative in the kitchen and find what works for you. Alright, let's get physical. Even 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days can make a difference. Find something you genuinely enjoy: walking, dancing, swimming, cycling. Consistency is key. Make movement a part of your daily routine. Mix things up with different activities or classes. Exercise boosts your mood, improves sleep, and strengthens your heart. It's about feeling good, not just looking good. Let's talk about the magic of sleep. Sleep is not just a passive state of rest, it's a dynamic process that plays a crucial role in our overall health and well-being. It's about giving your body time to repair, restore, and rejuvenate. During sleep, your body works hard to support healthy brain function and maintain your physical health. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. This range is optimal for most adults, helping to improve concentration, productivity, and overall mood. Create the perfect sleep sanctuary: cool, dark, and quiet. Invest in blackout curtains, earplugs, or a white noise machine. These small changes can make a big difference in the quality of your sleep. Or a white noise machine. These tools can help block out disruptive noises and create a more peaceful sleep environment. Ditch the screens at least an hour before bed. The blue light emitted by phones, tablets, and computers can interfere with your sleep-wake cycle, making it harder to fall asleep. Blue light from devices can interfere with your sleep-wake cycle. Consider using blue light blocking glasses if you must use screens before bed. Prioritizing sleep is essential for your health and well-being. Quality sleep can boost your immune system, support heart health, and even help with weight management. It's about investing in your overall quality of life. When you prioritize sleep, you wake up feeling refreshed and ready to tackle the day with energy and enthusiasm. Make time for those Z's. Remember, sleep is not a luxury, it's a necessity, so give yourself the gift of a good night's sleep and watch your life transform. Life can be stressful. It's about learning how to manage it effectively. Identify your stressors and develop strategies to cope. Meditation, deep breathing, yoga, and nature can calm your mind. Don't underestimate the power of connection. Talking to a friend, family member, or therapist can help. Sharing your worries can lighten the load and provide perspective. Everyone experiences stress, and there's no shame in asking for help. Mastering stress management is key to a healthier you. Let's talk about food in a whole new way: mindful eating. This practice is not just about eating, it's about experiencing food in a deeper, more meaningful way. Imagine savoring each bite, feeling the textures, and truly tasting the flavors. It's about truly savoring and enjoying every single bite. When you eat mindfully, you slow down and appreciate the food in front of you. You become more aware of what you're eating and how it makes you feel. Transform your relationship with food from mindless consumption to conscious awareness. This shift can help you make healthier choices and enjoy your meals more. Engage all your senses. Notice colors, aromas, textures, and flavors. Take a moment to appreciate the beauty of your meal before you even take a bite. Tune into your body's hunger and fullness cues. Listen to what your body is telling you. Are you eating because you're hungry, or out of habit or emotion? Eat when you're truly hungry and stop when you're comfortably satisfied. This can help prevent overeating and promote a healthier relationship with food. Ditch the guilt and embrace a balanced approach. Enjoy your favorite foods in moderation and without guilt. Mindful eating is about balance and enjoyment. Food is fuel, nourishment, and a source of true enjoyment. By practicing mindful eating, you can transform your meals into moments of joy and nourishment for both your body and mind. We're social creatures at our core. Strong social connections are essential for our well-being. Spending time with loved ones makes life richer and more meaningful. Make an effort to reach out to friends and family regularly. Schedule phone calls, video chats, or send a quick text. Plan a dinner party, go for a walk, or enjoy a cup of coffee together. Nurturing relationships takes effort, time, and genuine care. It's worth prioritizing for your mental and emotional health. Regular checkups are crucial for your health. Think of your health like a car. Preventative maintenance is key. Regular checkups catch potential issues early on. Stay one step ahead of any potential health concerns. Your doctor is your partner in health. Knowledge is power. The more you know, the better equipped you are. Make informed decisions about your health. Regular checkups are essential for a healthier you. Living a healthy lifestyle is not about being perfect. It's about making sustainable changes you can stick with. Listen to your body and honor your cravings in moderation. Setbacks are a normal part of the journey. Acknowledge them, learn from them, and get back on track. This is a marathon, not a sprint. Small, consistent changes add up to big results. Self-care is not selfish, it's essential. Think of self-care as filling up your own cup. Prioritize your well-being to show up for others. Self-care can be simple. Do something you enjoy daily. Make time for yourself, even when it feels like there's no time to spare. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards a healthier, more vibrant you. Stay committed, stay positive, and take care of yourself. Until next time, stay healthy.